Buildonskills.com is one of the best online platform where you can learn professional designing. Buildonskills.com, as the name suggests, is more focused on building your skills, developing your skills, and making you a better you. So, how do we go about it? I am Sixen Sunny and I am a founder and principal designer of Built on Ideas. Built on Ideas have been in this industry for more than 15 years now, and we provide professional 3D architectural and interior design services like 3D walkthroughs, 3D elevations, 3D interiors, and such. Currently in buildonskills.com, we try to share the skills and the experience which we have along with developing your skills. So, how do we go about it? We have a series of online pre-recorded courses from where you can access these courses from anywhere in the world at any time at your convenience. And these courses can cater to your specific needs, whether you are a beginner and trying to start from the basics and then go to the next level step by step. Or if you are a professional experienced person and then you want to develop certain skills at a certain level, then you can do it from that. We have different courses at different levels. And then if you are a person who is having a job and then you are finding it difficult to go to an institute and learn, and then you want a course to be learned at your convenience, at your time, when you are free, that is available very much in this website. So try to come and understand what the website is, try to understand what it is and learn from it, and just enjoy learning. Thank you.